Security camera video shows McCord walking away from the I-5 and in the direction of Officer McKinney and the sergeant.
Guys. I think I got hit. Check my head, I think I got hit. It's ringing like a mother. Check my arms. Fuck, man. Negative. Fuck, dude. My head is killing me right now. I fired 2 rounds. Hey, don't tell me that. Hey, come on, we're getting in the car. Hey, you good? It's just great, you okay? You got him? Yeah. Hey, here. Just chill out. Recording? Yeah. Take me to the fire station. Yep. I can't hear one. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. I think I hit somewhere, man. Hey, you're good?
Holy crap.
Hey. Yeah. You sure you didn't see anything?
Hey, you're good. You got a graze to your head, okay?
Okay.
You're okay? You're good. I'm with you, right?
Thanks, buddy.
Don't worry. Hey, here, lean up.
I knew I got that.
Hey, how many would he look up? How many? Just one? 43. I have McKinney. We're at E1 to treated by fire. Hey,
I got shot.
Graze wound to the head. Hey, Cap. He got shot. Hey, graze wound to the head.
Where am I going?
44 hour, we're going to be in front of Gordon State Bagels between Jefferson and Madison.
Madison, right now.